What is rust chemically? Fe2O3xH2O. Which of the following is a physical property of matter? Density. What is kinetic energy related to? Speed. Which indicator turns pink in a base? Phenolphthalein. What are atoms in a solid like? Tightly packed. What kind of waves are sound waves? Longitudinal. Which subatomic particle has a negative charge? Electron. What happens to resistance if length of the wire increases? Increases. What is the main element found in organic compounds? Carbon. What type of reaction is burning of paper? Chemical. Which was the world's first fully synthetic plastic? Bakelite. What is the function of a fuse in an electric circuit? To prevent overheating. Which element's isotope is tritium? Hydrogen. What is the name of the process of removing metal from its ore? Smelting. What is measured in ohms? Resistance. Which test would you use to detect the presence of starch in food? Iodine test. Which one is an example of a mixture? Air. Which one of the following has the least penetrating power? Alpha rays. Which surface causes the most friction? Carpet. Which law governs buoyancy? Archimedes' principle. Which tool helps to lift a heavy object with less force? Lever. Echoes are best heard when the reflecting surface is at least 17 meters away. What is the common name for sodium bicarbonate? Baking soda. What kind of motion does the pendulum of a clock exhibit? Oscillatory. What happens to the volume of gas when heated? Increases.